Hey everyone, come with me on an awesome 8-day trip through the heart of the old Yugoslavia. We'll visit 7 amazing countries. We'll see everything from old Roman ruins to cool buildings from the Ottoman times and discover some hidden treasures. Get ready for beautiful scenery, exciting cultures, and friendly people. Our adventure starts in Slovenia, a land of beautiful mountains. Then we'll go to Croatia, famous for its amazing coastline. After that, we'll experience the mix of cultures in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Our trip continues through Serbia, the biggest of the old Yugoslav countries. Get ready to be wowed by the mountains of Montenegro. Then we'll explore the history of North Macedonia. Finally, our Balkan adventure ends in Kosovo, a country full of strength and energy. Our trip begins in Ljubljana, Slovenia. This fun capital city is a cool mix of fancy Baroque buildings and elegant Austro-Hungarian style. Next, we'll visit Lake Bled, a super pretty mountain paradise. Don't miss the famous Bled Castle sitting on top of a little island. Then we'll go to Croatia to the coastal city of Split. Diocletian's Palace, a super important historical place, is waiting for us. Our next stop is Mostar in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Here we'll see the famous Stari Most Old Bridge, a symbol of strength and peace. Make sure to try some traditional Bosnian coffee while enjoying the city's Ottoman charm. Next, we'll travel to Belgrade, Serbia. This exciting capital city has a lot of history and a fun culture. We'll explore the Belgrade Fortress, a really old fort. Our Balkan adventure continues in Montenegro. Get ready to be amazed by the Bay of Kotor, a beautiful natural wonder. The town of Kotor, with its cool Venetian-style buildings, is amazing. Next, we'll learn about the history of North Macedonia, visiting the old city of Ohrid. This historical city has many old Byzantine churches. Our last stop is Pristina, Kosovo. Here we'll see the strength of a young country and experience its exciting culture. As we travel through the Balkans, we can really feel the history. The area's difficult past has made it what it is today. We'll see things that remind us of the Yugoslav wars, a sad reminder of how bad war can be. But even with the sad parts of the past, we'll also see amazing strength. The people of the Balkans have overcome hard times with hope and determination. They want to share their stories, their culture, and their kindness. From the busy cafes of Sarajevo to the peaceful shores of Lake Ohrid, we'll see a place full of life and people who appreciate every moment. Our 8-day Balkan adventure is over, but we'll remember it forever. We've seen the amazing beauty of Lake Bled, the historical awesomeness of Dubrovnik, and the rich culture of Sarajevo. We've been amazed by the natural wonders of Kotor Bay and explored the history of Ohrid. The Balkans have a special mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. From its charming towns and cities to its stunning scenery, there's something for everyone in this exciting place. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Balkan trip today. You'll love it.
谢谢收看。健康生活，关心您的生活健康，请订阅、点赞及转传。